Yeah, a lot of people are talking about downsizing, tiny homes, huge topic these days. And so if you really want to do that, or maybe just take some time out or so and want to also reduce the cost of your internet access, then I have an awesome solution for you. And that's this Solis H5G. It's a completely ready to be used solution like plug and play. And so here is what we get, and what you get is a really beautiful device, nice, sleek, beautiful, modern, comes even with a touch screen. We get actually just two things in this packaging. We get the device, which is the hotspot, the connection accessing 5G through the built-in SIM card, and then providing the data to you through the dual band Wi-Fi, where you can connect up to 16 devices. And on top of that, you get the USB-C to C charging cable, which also works with modern and fast PD charge. So you don't need a contract, you don't even need an ID, pretty much nothing needed. You just buy this set here, open it, it came already pre-charged, had to just turn it on, pressing one button to connect to the internet, and then pressing on the Wi-Fi information to connect the phone, and that was it. So you can be online really in 2 minutes, no ID, no contract, no nothing, and it provides you with lifetime 1 GB per month locally, and on top of that 10 GB which you can use globally, which is valid for 1 year. And it's very easy to connect with just long press here to turn it on. Needs just a few seconds to boot up, and then we can hit this arrow here to the right side. Of course, I have to blur the website information. So we get a website where we can go, or we can get a QR code which we can scan with a phone. That's the easiest way. And already after hitting the back button here, without doing anything in the app, we can already see the 1 GB remaining. So we can see it has already been activated, but of course highly recommended to do the setup device here, or even download the Solis app from the official Play Store, and there we have much more option, and so you can buy additional data plans right from here. So here we have some options for additional plans like global unlimited, global day pass, global go data 1 GB, and new global data 5 GB with rollover, global data 10 GB, new global go data 20, and so on and so on. It's almost endless. And when clicking on my plans, I can see my current plan confirming 140 countries globally, lifetime data remaining 1 GB plus global 10 GB. Expiration of this one is in 1 year. The Wi-Fi is dual band, and we can connect maximum 16 Wi-Fi devices. And to get the information how to connect, we click here on Wi-Fi info. Of course, also something which I have to blur. We do not only get the Wi-Fi name and the password, we get also a QR code which can scan. Maybe the only complaint is that the QR code is very small, so it can be difficult to scan with an old phone. But the password is very easy, just 8 numbers, absolutely no problem to enter that. And so it took me just a couple of seconds to be connected to this Wi-Fi network here. If you're switching location, you have the impression that the speed is not enough. Then you can click on SignalScan. So it will check the towers in your area for a better signal. And so it looks like it has switched from AT&T to T-Mobile. And so I'm running a speed test now. And so we can see a couple of things here. We have definitely decent speed. I would say exactly same speed as I can get with my phone. 48.9 megabits download and 8.05 megabits upload. You can see also ping, jitter, everything. So definitely looking good. And we can also see that it has deducted the data which it has been consuming for this speed test right away here, pretty much without any delay. And so also prove that we have to be very careful with the data, because already the speed test has consumed more than 100 megabytes. but it definitely works, really reliable. We have all information which we need, battery percentage, everything. So of course not the best thing if you need a lot of data, but if you have devices which need only very few data, but you just need to be connected over longer time, this could be the perfect solution. The only thing where it doesn't work, as far as I know, of course, if you don't have any GSM tower anywhere close, and it's also not working, for example, on cruise ships or so. Unfortunately, that's not a workaround for that. Would have been absolutely awesome, but these are the only restrictions. So it could be really an awesome thing for downsizing or for an emergency, or just keep it as a backup, or could be also a great solution if you want to give a picture frame to your parents, grandparents, and they don't have internet. So this SIMO Solis Edge could be the perfect solution, because usually power is not a problem. By the way, battery runtime about 1 day. So of course it's not perfectly suitable without additional power off grid. So you cannot provide the data, for example, for a trail camera or so. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order such a device for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Solis Edge SIMO Global Wi-Fi Hotspot, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.